Hey, y'all, this your girl, Tony. I'm here, you're back in my kitchen. I'm gonna make some easy coconut rice, y'all. This is the way I make my coconut rice. It only takes three ingredients, which is coconut milk, rice, and of course, water. So let's go and get into it, y'all. Let me go ahead and adjust this for y'all so y'all can check this out. And I am using my rice cooker. That's the only way lately that I've been making this for at least the past year and a half since somebody gave it to me. So I figured I'd go ahead and use it. So of course I'm using this. Try to get a spoon, y'all. I'm using this. Let's go ahead and pour the coconut milk on in there. Like I said, it only takes 3 ingredients. Oh, okay. Let me go ahead and get this out of here, y'all. Because sometimes it's hard to get out the pack. There we go. There we go. Ow, crap. Forgot this crock pot was right here. Lord have mercy. I burnt my arm. Or I almost burnt my arm. Alrighty. Like I said, this is the coconut milk. Alexa, off. Sorry about that, y'all. Let me go cut her off, y'all. She's gonna keep talking. Alexa, off. Alexa, off. Sorry, Sylvie. Y'all, I don't know what's wrong with Alexa. I have no idea. She just keeps talking sometimes. Sorry about that, y'all. Interrupted the video. I ain't starting over, so it's all right. Things like that happen. It's all right. But like I said, I'm just trying to get the rest of this because when you have a can of coconut milk, sometimes all the little residue and stuff gets stuck on the can, y'all. And the can that I used is A Taste of Thai. But they have generic cans as well. You can use whatever kind that fits your budget. This was less than, it was like maybe about $1.59 or something like that. $1.79. It wasn't that much. And anytime I make my rice, like I said, this is usually when I put it in it. Because I don't like to really use any plain rice if I don't have to. And the only thing I did with this, y'all, I poured a cup of water, filled up this coconut milk can, and put some water in there. And I'm going to put maybe like another third of a can in there as well, water. There we go. So we got our water, and then next I'm going to put our rice. Like I said, this recipe only takes 2 main ingredients, but of course water is the third, so that can be a main ingredient too, y'all. And the kind of rice that I love to use is the Jasmine rice, but you can get whatever kind of rice you want. I'm sure it cooks okay in the crock pot as well. And like I said, I'm just pouring the rice on in there, y'all. I'm not sure how much rice to put. I'll put that. I'll just use that. And that was about a cup, 2 cups of rice, I think. I don't usually measure this stuff, y'all, so just keep that in mind. But this bag is actually a 32-ounce bag of Jasmine rice from Walmart, and I used about half the bag, so about, like I said, about a cup or so. So next, I'm just going to put a little bit of seasoning. I'm just going to add some garlic and pepper. So I like to have some type of seasoning to this too. Oh, I got the wrong thing. Yeah, I was about to put cinnamon in there. I was going to put the wrong seasoning in there, y'all. They'd have been like, what the heck is this junk? So let me see. And I'm putting some of this Sunshine seasoning by Tabitha Brown in there. I love the way this tastes in rice because it has cinnamon and ginger and all those types of things. I love this taste, y'all. So I'm putting it in there too. So I didn't put a lot. Like I said, just put a little bit on in there. I'm just going to stir this up a little bit so the seasonings can get kind of incorporated in there. So otherwise, that's it. I'm putting the top on the rice cooker, putting the top on, and then of course, once it pops off, tell me that it's done and it's ready to go. Like I said, that's my easy peasy coconut rice. I'll come back and let y'all know how this turns out. Peace out. The coconut rice, my little rice cooker has popped, so I know that it is done. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy, this top off here, and show y'all how it looks. All right, let me get this top off of here. My phone, I wanted to mess up with that. So let me get a spoon here and start some of this up for y'all. And like I said, this rice cooker, it took about a good 20 minutes for it to cook, y'all. Let me take some of that heat off. Okay. a good 20 minutes to cook. So, like I said, this is how the rice looks. I see it's a little bit burned on the bottom. That usually happens for some reason in this rice cooker, but it's normally fine because the rice itself is not burned. I guess I put it that way. Well, let me show y'all how this looks, y'all. Get some of this off here. That rice looks awesome and moist. Like I said, the season I put in there, y'all, it's going to taste dandy. Like I said, you can use this coconut rice. I'm using it for the base for my orange chicken that I made in the crock pot. And if you haven't seen the video, go check that out. Make sure y'all subscribe to this channel as well. This is Tonetta's Kitchen. This is my kitchen, y'all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But like I said, I'm just so proud of my little rice. I'm proud of my rice, y'all. I'm proud of my rice. It looks so good. And it's always good. Like I said, I'm using this as the base for my orange chicken. But you can use it as a base for anything that you want to use it for, or just eat it the way it is. Some folks put butter on it. Some folks put sugar. It just depends on whatever you want with it. Plantains, whatever you want with it. Just eat it the way it is. That's up to you. But like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video about this easy peasy coconut rice with just 2.5 ingredients because the water's the half. So like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments whether y'all made this or how it tastes for y'all, and if y'all put anything extra in your rice. Peace out, y'all. Be sure to subscribe. Have a good one.